back to sort of part two. Yes, slightly different situation because the light is now ready to go. I'm wearing a hat because it's freezing, but it's all good. We're just going to stick it back on and hope and pray for the best. Like I said, it is glued together with sort of just mainly glue and some packers, which is sort of like a plastic thin, well, it's just a thin bit of plastic really, but it's going to hopefully help it and strengthen it up a little bit. I'll show you what I've done in a second, but then we're just going to stick it back in and yeah, hope and pray that it's all good. Quite a bit of time until the MOT, which I suppose is good in some ways because I can see if the headlight stays up. If not, I can try and fix it again, but bad because I want it fixed right now and I want it to pass MOT. Looking at the back of the headlight again, obviously we've got the 3 clips that are now all back on, but they are sort of 100% botched. This one here has obviously just had the glue around the back there, as you can see where I've missed a bit, and on the front this is what a bit of a packer looks like, but I've got a few packers there literally just connecting it to the headlight, hopefully giving it a little bit more strength and quite a lot of glue in there as well. This one, packers wrapping around the side just to hold it on. This was the hardest because it wouldn't even sit there, so the packer that wraps around is hopefully going to give it that little bit more strength again. But then the main one on the top, who's sort of Billy No Mates, it's got a packer all over the top of it. Please don't judge me, this is a bit of a bodge, but it's better than the bodge that was there before. So glued, just made it a little bit thicker. Bolt's going to go through the top, hopefully it's going to be all good. If the bolt doesn't go through the top, I'm going to have to cut it with a Stanley knife and try again. But yeah, I just need to get it in the car and off we go. So once again, I'm literally just going to do a time lapse because all it is, I just need to clip the 2 clips back in with those ones here and tighten all the bolts back up, the 10mm free bolt, put a few zip ties on there and things, and hope and pray for the best. Headlights in. The first thing I should have done technically before even tightening up any of the bolts is check that the headlight actually works. So I'm just going to run through that now and check sure. Obviously I put the plugs in the back right, it was just literally a push in, but the last thing I want to do is put on the bumper and yeah, the headlight not work, because then I have to take it all back off again. So just going to quickly check the headlights, but all the nuts are in. What you can see, just don't look at it, it looks horrendous, but it's working, so just need to get a zip tie at the top as well, just once again to support it, because you only got the 1 clip at the top. All the help and support will probably be good. Like a dream. Perfect. Now on to the zip tie and then, yeah, put it all back together. So that took a bit longer than expected. They do say it's easier to take things off than it is to put back on. I just had a bit of an issue with this side, trying to get, obviously I changed that rusty, well, I attempted to change the rusty bolt for like another one. It didn't work very well, so I ended up putting the rusty one back in anyway. It's spanning alright, I just hope it comes out again when I need it to. A few zip ties went here and there along the bumper, because it just wasn't going back together. Underneath, struggled to find the holes that were there. Obviously the car's not jacked up, the car's quite low, so it's quite hard to get my hand and anything under there, so it was a little bit of a struggle, but we got there. The headlight now is back to its original state of actually floating rather than sitting on the bumper, so yeah, I count that as a success and hopefully that is good enough for it to pass the MOT. But yeah, thank you very much for tuning in. Really short, easy video, just sort of once again to kind of update you guys. Obviously, as I was saying, my MOT is the 24th of Jan. Fingers crossed it passes. If it doesn't, hopefully it's stuff we can sort out, because she is getting old. But things to come, but not quite yet. have to start saving some money for a house, and then after that, then I can put some money back into the car. But yeah, thank you for tuning in. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you are new, please do subscribe and go and have a look at some of my other content. But yeah, we'll have a little blast in this for the next video. I think have a little drive around.